Hey everybody, so I got a new battery. This is for the Ego Plus tools. Now this one was sent over to me to review. Now this one is from a different company, of course, and it's 56 volts, 5AH. It's pretty much the same specs as the original, and it actually works just as great. On the front, you do have the same button like the originals that also will give you the power. I mean, it looks a little bit different, but it gives you the same idea. And this will fit all the Ego tools. So even the Ego tools that use the smaller capacity battery, this will still fit it. So like my blower and everything, it will. So if we compare these side by side, size-wise, they're the same. Weight, they're right about the same. They just look a little bit different, that's all. It'll still go on the charging dock and work just the same as the other one. All right, now I'll go ahead and use it in my Ego blower because this is the tool I use the most. Now it is a little bit larger compared to the original that comes on this one, but we get a lot more battery capacity with this as well. And anybody that uses these Ego blowers will know that if you use like the turbo mode and stuff, it will drain the batteries fairly quickly. It does have a lot of power. And you can see how much power this Ego actually has. I mean, it blows pretty far. Anyway, if you're looking for a replaceable battery that works great, this one works just as great as the original.